Along the bevadi, Ayapatumia went valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I out of your meat. Along the bevadi, Ayapatumia went valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I out of your meat. Say, go down, say, I saw you, but when you do, bound drug away. Tadana, young tall melody, Bada, young show melody. Did it go in when, tailing of the Mama to Janedi, Tirago Jango, Jibuda Takatumi, Atipinamia, Wagati, Abeda Matea, Janami, we Patana Chiti, Mabazedi. Nyapala Tira Wada Mapyata Vara Nila Taraka Pamamacha Wesi Kabataloa Chiti Oda Yaudi Disabu Macho Pidigusiara Nada Sugar Pia Ayudana Siyoni Kanyadoti Bevadi, Ayapatumia went valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I out of your knee. Along the bevadi, Ayapatumia went valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I out of your knee. Say, go down, say, I saw me, but when you do, bound drug away. Tadana, young tone, melody, Bada, young show, melody, did a good win, tailing of the Mama to Janedi, Tirago Jango Jibuda Takatumi, Atipinamia, Wagati, Abeda Matea, Janami, we Patana Cheti, Mabazedi. Nyapala Tira Wada Mapyata Vara Nila Taraka Pamamacha Wesi Kabataloa Chiti Buddha Yamji Disabu Macho Tiligusiara Tada Sugar Pia Ayudana Seyoni Kanyaloti Bevadi, Ayapatumia went valley. She's a guy down with my heat, so I out of your meat. Along the bevadi, when tailing low tabi.
Today, let's go to the power. From which village? After the ends of the 45 Vasa, Buddha traveled a lot. His continuous traveling started from Rajgiri. Rajgiri to Vaishali. Between two cities, so many cities, so many towns, so many villages. Buddha delivered many sermons, and almost every village Buddha's the last Vasa, 45th Vasa. And Velua village, near the capital of the Vaishali, near the capital city of the Vaishali, Velua village, where Buddha stayed. And there's a Velua village within the rainy retreat. Buddha got so strong diseases. Velua Gami, Uddupa Gamani. Pabala Vidana Portanti Maranantika. Lohida Pekandika Tadudam Bhagawa, the truth Namasano, Adiwadidi. Wonderful words. You shall learn by heart. Bhagavadi Vadidi, the truth Namasano. Diwadidi the Dodhamsano meaning Bhagavad absorbed, entering into Prasmapati. By the power of this Prasmapati, Buddha protect this disease. Very powerful disease, very powerful absorption, the Mapati. Buddha decided by the power of this Prasmapati, this disease must be stopped for 10 months alone. Tema, 3 months. 3 months long. 10 months, yes, 10 months long. Vasa. Vasu, Vago, Todalin, Rinjo, Zamo, Neto, Pyado. Ture Lavi. and the full moon day of the Buddha Labi and Sabala city, Sabala shrine. Buddha decided I want no more protect. There is a disease. After that, full moon day of Akaso. But this power of a process must be exist for 3 months. After the full moon day of the Buddha and the full moon day of Akasauti. Very interesting plasma body. This plasma body is called Ayupalaka plasma body. Khanika plasma body. Ayupalaka plasma body. Nirodha samapatti. Jhana samapatti. Sometimes Buddha for relaxation, to enjoy in peace, to enjoy the relaxation, samapatti. Tadadali nivu leve balole, tamapa wenzare. Khanika samapatti, kana. One night, one afternoon, one evening, 1 hour, etc. I already explained to you, after his enlightenment, for 7 weeks, around the Bodhi tree in 7 different places, day and night, 1 week. What is samapatti? Relaxation, enjoying happiness of the cessations of the Vedana. For 7 weeks, the Patsi Windavi, Shakshudha. But at the 5th week of Bhima, Ajabala, Buddha stayed together with the goalkeeper and goalkeeper for 1 week. Why Buddha stayed in there? Plasma body, enjoying the plasma body, but not completely 1 week, because many disturbances are by the goalkeeper, by the cowkeeper, or the cowherds. Disturbances several times, questioned many times. Nothing effective. Nobody knows any Buddha's teaching. Nobody in the first stage of enlightenment, even. Useless, spent. Wonderful. What does the meaning of the Brahmana? They are even the Brahmana. They don't know their meaning. You should not be like a cowherd. What do you say? We are 17 days. Bhadi. Nagam. Assembly. Seventy needed, say Jana, Chabadi did the child of Mobile. Also, I was 70 Donida, Naga Balubi. Mori Liri Gabire, no? And a Nagama did it. The Nagawa, there is a little joy in Nadome. There is a Matidi, Luria, Mati. 6 သားလို့ကောက်တယ်မင်းတို့ကဘာကြောင်းသားလဲဒီတကူကြောင်းသားတွေဟမ်အေးစိတ်ကြောင်းသားလို့ဖြစ်နေဦးမယ်သတိထားစိတ်ကြောင်းသားစိတ်ကိုပြီးသက်သာတော့တကောင်းရလေကောင်းတယ်ဒီလိုရှိလျရတဲ့သုတ်တာမင်းတို့ဘယ်ကဖတ်ဘူးလဲဘယ်မှာတက်ဘူးလဲနော်ဒါမျိုးတွေကိုပို့ချတဲ့အစင်လာဘုမာကြီးမှာပြတ်သွားပြီလို့ပြောရမှာဝမ်းနေစေBeyanisa. Correct. Which lead the ballet, no? That's all. A chain, me pumba. Which lead Kushi Nagarai, Eddie Jare. A chain, a me pumba. Ranger Zamuaro. Bawdina Yada, you pianta. Not of Yado, the boat way. Good the bong out be the day says go had that the bong. Yarama Piao need you are the Yai Shilip, Yao Liane. Then I am a debut Piao need. Yes, I be a power with Chuabi Sorego that the bong pin. Power with Chuabi Yan is only the Kuma. So now they adore Payayap. Pinyan is only in a sense. So now they adore Payan is on Yap. So now I love you to shout. But I can do Bandi. The video wasn't ensemble. But I can do Lekanamuka. Tui Watanaya. Watanaya Sura, Tui Adanaya Mula. Manaping Asabu. Wadanaya Sura, Tui Adanaya. Tui Karidum. Manaping Asabu, Son Pientame, Lekama. Eddie Manaping Aga Manaping. So that the Kamara Buddha, the Bhatta Buddha with the Kro Avara Ubizili. So that is one son be your Bayaba Yoga Pit. Palada Baba Swai, Kumbabi, Daya Yoga Walla. Palada Baba Dalai de Sela, Sidon. And as I bring him a Samu yet, Babin, young lady. Hola. De lo tuya, de lo seda. Denyali now the evening, Sosa be yoga pit. Yoga be the Dadu down with the Dodamzano. The Diwa the deep Yana Dikan. I remember Mayaro. Again, I am an that. I am Ananda. Yena Budinara Yandinu Badinga Dama. Shopili. Ananda, let us leave for Kushinara. Let's go to the Kushinara. Pyovi. Udayana Toya Suro. Yazavia Bawa Yade Nyani Gindi. Bawaga Sodaya de Uyama Tanya Ede Eri Nyadi. The Bongla San Saliafin. What to end to it. Bongla San Saliafin. Sorry. Kasula San Sali. Kasula San Saliafin. One day before the full moon of the May, Ekasam or Vaisakha Purnima, before the one day Vaisakha Purnima, Buddha arrived at Beoyao. Jodasa Kamara Bodhasa Ambavani. And the mango garden belonged to Joda, the son of a goldsmith. Shivrineta Sodaya, they are winning. Buddha spent one night over there. In the evening late, Soda came to the Buddha, paid respect. And requested, please, out of compassion, accepted my food donation for tomorrow morning. That's right. No? Buddha accepted by silence. And then I saw that so happy. He has a chant for donation of the Buddha's meal. But he did not understand. This is the last meal of the Buddha. Buddha is now so swallowed to Buddha. He prepared very well. What kind of food? Yeah. Well prepared, sukra matawa. What is it? Sukra. Su. Very well. Kra, prepare. Bhavyoja. Wemaho. Paya dadalo. Dadalo gaina dilu pure. Tukara. And the Abhidhana, no? Your dictionary, Pali your dictionary, you can translate. This is a Paul. Where? But Su and Kara, two words are combined. Su means Sundara. Very, very well. Kra means prepare. Very well prepare food. Yeah, Omra. Yeah. Mahopu. Sukra Barine, very well prepare Luka. Dahi, Lassi, Butter. Malay ko English lo boleh kau, Malay milk no ayah dah ngapa lah kau, desa gora dah. With these material and very good rice, basmati rice, cook. Very good. And put into many essence into this food. Around the 10,000 universe, all our deity knows very well. This will be last meal of the Buddha. Tomorrow Buddha will be passed away. Around the 10,000 universe, deities are known. Therefore, all of our deities put into this Thame Oji. Any Thame Oji de Barite. Debosa, Deva Oza, no? Not the Radi. Such our other Nadi wanted. They want to take their advantage also for the donation of the last meal of the Buddha, no? Nadi. Wanted. Well prepared. Choda and deity, well prepared food. This is God's Sukra. Madhva means very delicious. Very soft and very delicious madhva. This is called Sukra Madhva. In 5 ways, different idea, different translation. Originally, really pork. Where Soma, where Dadaku, where Mahobu, no ayaba ngabane chetare tame. Where le Mahobu. No ayada ngamane chetare mohu. Mohuja, mohu. Solabi is a mohuja. Mohuja powder. Mo. There are mo mohu. Me. Bamboo shoot. Some scholar translated meaning of the Sukra Madhva, well prepared with the bamboo shoot, well prepared with the mushroom, well prepared very well with Yasa Yana Osada. Yadayana see. But most scholars, especially Theravada side, translated this word, Sukra Madhava, really poor. But around 10,000 universe, Sajavara, Tavama, Nadia Baluta, put the boya, na ozari, waited. How many meaning? Whether Yada Yanasi, no Yada Nava, Mo. I have read yesterday evening Mahawa Atagata, Udan Atagata, Mahawa Tiga. You must read to have such a kind of a 5 meaning. Number 1, Mahawega commentary. Number 2, Mahawega sub-commentary. Hala. Commentary, diga. Commentary, atagara. Sub-commentary, diga. And then especially, you should look at Udan. Kodaka Nikaya. Udana Balido, included in Kodaka Nikaya. This is it, included in Bemala. Diga Nikaya. 2 Nikayas, in the 2 Nikayas. Sengiri Karaka Thera, Sengiri Akansu Nikke Dayama Ditoko Zengana Dendal. Mother. Sodavo Jamula. That's Sodavo Kore. Dojire Madoge Wendara. Hala. That's Sodavo. In the Kodaka Nikaya, Udana Balido, they are very evidently Sengite Akansu Tenden Shasha Degana Denare, Mother Sodato Dijara Sodato Mahopene Soda, a binding of my people, but in the mother Gide win it. Now you must understand. Soda Sutra are different. Ayudhanga Rosasana Sutra also another different name in Udana Bali. All I understand? Any little lila, any little far he got. Elogia. Udama Palay. Oh. Diga Nigarega, Toshi Yidega, Toto Lady, Quack Video, Teta, Miai. So da, Emajime Uda Balido Jim. Uda Balido, Gado, the Ishi Daibo. Uda Balido, a Tegra with Uyel. Era, Lamian. Who wrote this Udana Atagata commentary? Mahadama Pala wrote. This is Mahabharata Sutra commentary, Diganikaya commentary. Who read it? Burgosa. Nale. Burgoda Bayir. Di Mahabharata Duji Yir, Sunda Dule. Tu point on. And a do point on it. Ho Udane machine in a Sunda Dogu, point. The Mapala point. The Mamala point on the Taiji Tula. The Ayusari, Gwen. Moro Biedo, the Mabala Yiva. တဲ့သုံးခုကတော့အတူတူပဲမိုး mushroom bamboo shoot အဲ့ဒါတွေရဲ့အဓိပ္ပာယ်ကိုဘယ်သူကပြောအရှင်တပတ်ပါလာပြောတယ်ကြည့်ကြရင်ဘယ်မှာဖတ်ဥဒံပါဠိဖတ်လို့မရဘူးဥဒံအထက်ကတာဖတ်ဟုတ်လားယသနာရှိရဲ့ပြစ္ဆဂောရတနဲ့ပြင်ဆင်ထားတာရဲ့ဝက်သားရဲ့ဒီအိဗယ်သုံးခုဟာဘယ်မှာရှိဘုရဂောသားရဲ့အထက်ကရာမှာရှိထက်ကရာဆန်နှစ်ယောက်ကအဲ့လိုဖြစ်ဘသူကစောလဲဘသူကနောက်ချလဲဆက်လေးလာရင်အဲ့ဒါပူရှုပ်တော့မရှုပ်နဲ့သူတို့ကခက်ပြိုင်This is very smaller research ပေးစီလို့ရှိရင်အဲ့လိုရေးရမယ်ဟဲ့ကောင်လေအဲ့တော့ဖတ်နိုင်မှာပြီးသွားပြီစာအုပ်ပိုက်ပြန်လို့ရတယ်ရှောက်ဖတ်နေလက်ဒါပဲမလားဟမ်ဟဲ့ကောင်လေဒါဖတ်အောင်ပဲဆိုလက်ဒါပဲမလားပြန်ရပြီ class B မင်းတို့ဘလောက်လို့လဲမသိဘူးငါအဲ့လိုလုပ်ထားတာစုကရမဒဝဘောရဥဝိုင်ကပေါ်ဦးကိုမေးတယ်ဟဲ့ပေါ်ဦးတို့ဖယားဟာဗမာလူမျိုးလားကလားလူမျိုးလားမှန်လားပါဘုံတော်ကြောင့်ဗမာအစ်စ်ပါကလားမဟုတ်မင်းဘာထောက်ထားနဲ့ပြောဖယားပြိဋိပတ်ဆန်တော့ဝေသန်းစွမ်းပြိစားပြီးပြိဋိပတ်ဆန်လို့ပြောတယ်ကလားဝေသမစားဘူးဗျာဗမာပါဗျာဝေသစားသေးတာမဟုတ်ဗမာအစ်စ်ပါဘိုးကပြောတာအဲ့ဒါလည်းမဟုတ်ပြတ်ထုံးဗမာဖယားကောင်းလားပြည်မနာရဲ့တောင်ပန်းနာလေးသွားလိုက်မြို့လေးတစ်မြို့ဖြတ်တယ်လေသာဝတိရောက်တိုင်းငါသာဝတိလှမ်းမှရသာဝတိလုံးမတူကလေးနဲ့တမှုဖြတ်သွားရင်လမ်းအနောက်နာချင်းတောင်ရဲ့တောင်ကြီးမှာရသကြိုးရှာဥစံတော်မေးကြည့်ဆရာရသကြိုးတွေသာဝတိတွေဘုမာပြည်ရောက်တယ်ဘယ်လိုလုပ်ရောက်ဥစဉ်စိတ်မပြည့်ရောက်စေဟိုကလားလက်မခံလို့ဒီဘက်ရောက်လာအကုန်ရွှေ့ယူရင်ဗောဓိပင်ကြီးတော့ရွှေ့လိုက်ချင်တယ်ဘာဖြစ်လဲဘုရားပြည်ကနာမည်တူတတ်ထားတာတွေကိုဆရာကြီးကဒီလိုပြောတယ်နော်မရှုံးချဘူးရှောက်စေဘုရားပြည်အကုန်ရွှေ့သာဝတိရာဇဂိုနန္ဒာပါဠိပုတ်အကုန်လုံးဘုရားပြည်မှာတည့်ပလိုက်ဘုရားကရဘုရားကြီးနဲ့ဗောဓိပင်ကြီးပါအကုန်ရွှေ့ဒါဆရာဥစ္စာတော်ပြောကဲပြီးပြီဒါမဲ့ပြင်းစရာကောင်းတော့ဖောက်ဒါခောဘဂဝါဘောဂနဂရေယတပိရဏဝိရိတောအသမတံအနန္တံအမန္တိတိထိုအခါမြတ်စွာဘုရားသည်ဘောဂမြို့မှာပြောသလောက်နေပြီးတော့အရှင်အနန္ဒာကိုပြောတယ်အာယမနန္ဒဟေအနန္ဒလာသွားကြရအောင်ယေနပါဝတေနုပသင်္ကမိသမပါဝါကိုသွားကြစို့ဧဝပါတိတိခောသမအနန္တောဘဂဝတောပစ္စသောတိရှင်အနန္ဒကလည်းကောင်းပါပြီသွားကြရအောင်ဒါကောဘဂဝါမတာဘိက္ခုသံဃေနသန္တေယေနပါဝတရဝတရိသင်္ဃာရဘောမြောက်များစွာနဲ့မြတ်စွာဘုရားဟာပါဝါကိုသွားတယ် Dadradura Bhagava Bhavaya Viharadi Saudata Kamara Buddhata Abhavani Sauna Shivri Thai the Doma Myasabaya Nire Taka Sono Kamara Buddha Yena Bhagavati Nupathagami Upathagami Dvabhagavandami Varidava Ega Mandani Diriga Mandani Dena Kosonda Kamara Buddha Bhagava Dhammiya Gadaya Thanda Theti Thamadapedi Thamodesedi Thambandeti Yani Zavli Sute Do Sonda Yaulade Nyasa Miyaga Sonda Go Seti Shwe Techwala Deya Hopi Like Taka Sonda Kamara Buddha Bhagavata Dhammiya Gadaya Thanda Thito Thamadapedi Thamodesi Do Thambandeti Do Phaya Dayana the Sonda Seti Shwen Chi Biro Nyaswa Bhyago Shaubi Adiwa De Dume Bani Bhagavad Vadanaya Bada Beda Devi Kudangina Manavinga Biro Yaswan Lekha Ejwa Adiwa Devi Bhagavad Doni Bhavina Tako Sonda Kamara Buddha Bhagavad Vadana Viridwa Audayadana Bhavana Bhivadira Bhrekina Gatawa Bekami Yasam Yaleka Mantira Sonda Bhyago Shiko Biro Abian Daga Sonda Kamara Buddha Toga Sonda Sira Shivri De Thandi Tata Radiya Dunya Go Isi Nanothapi Degeni with the name Bibi Ne Ema Panitan Mumya Swada Karaniyan Kebwe Era Karaniya Boguli I'm a beautiful hard food Baba Lady Karaniya is a kaisa Bosnian Sara soft food hard food and soft food Priyara Bindu Aziz Bahu Densa Myongya Soli Pito Dukara Madawo A Dave Nanyu Shidi Swango Turu Chaja Blessing Pidabi David Yamyo Do a web Taga Bhagava Bhavana Mayani Wandira Bana Zira Banayata Devi Kudangira Ira Sunda Kamara Punada Nivedana Duma the Gama the Gamiani Andre Nidhi Zago Bhagava Sunda Kamara Buddha Amandevi Yasa Bayaga, some boy Tailule Bio, Sonda Ukopio. Yan de Sonda Dugra Madam Briatan. He, Sonda. Me whether Uigua, Chetalida, another town down it. Nado Dari, Sejaula, the Nova Nadiga, Wante Tara. Erari Tina Mambriwida. Nago Bejui Navesam Yampana Enyam Mala Karania Bosnia Bieda, the Chassi Madara Sokava Bosnia Goro, Bikutangam Privita Yandanga Jui Nagaro Baba Juya without him a jewel. Babylon. Sejaula the Bama, not Boma, not those I take. Paya one by my bed, Chile me. Many other one by ten, but Chibu 3 men at a side. Hola. Emaneri goes on the camera, Buddha, Bhagavata, breathe to a young Hondi, Dugra, Madame Bria, Nandina, Bhagavan, Brividi. See my daddies, whether him. Myasa Payago by Tweety, the Church Sanka Bosini with Tangaromia are Tweety. Tina Begutanga Brivi, the attack of Bhagava, Sondan Kamara Buddha, Amandi, Piodiri. Yande Sonda Dugra Madava, what they tell. Sonda ye. Whether Zanani, Chani Requa, Nago Omsanai, Dan Tobe Niganahi, အဲ့ဒါမြောင်းတဲ့ချောင်းထဲမှာတွင်းတုပ်ပြီးတော့မြုပ်ပလိုက်သွပ်ပေးဆိုတော့ရေမြောင်းတဲ့တွင်းတုပ်ပြီးတော့မြုပ်ပြီးဒီမှာသီဟနာဒရှင်သေးဟုတ်တယ်နာဟန္တသုန္ဒပတ္တမိတတေဝကိလောကေ etc လူလောကနတ်လောကပြောပါလောကဒီဝတ္တဟိစာအစာကြေမဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ငါတယောက်မှမမြင်ဘူးဟုတ်လားဒီဝတ္တဟိစာပြီးတော့အစာကြေမဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ငါတယောက်မှမမြင်ဘူးငါဓမ္မသေးပဲအဲ့ဒါအစာကြေမဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်ရှိတယ်ဒါသိရနာတာအဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ကြံနေတဲ့ဝတ္တဟိနေဘာလို့ပြလိုက်တွင်တူမြုပ်ပြီးဧဝံဗန္တိယေနဘဘပြီးပြီသမုဒ္ဒေစိတ္တသမသေတာဥထာသနာဘေကမိတရားဟောစောစပြီးဘုရားထသွားအထာခောဘဂဝတောသုန္ဒတကမ္မာရဗုဒ္ဓသဗတ္တံဗုဒ္ဓဝိတ္တခရောအာဘာဒဥပ္ပေစီလာပြီအဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ကစုံလာဇန်14ရက်ပြောတာအဝိသင်္ကာရဖလားသမဘာရဲ့ဆွေတတိကဆုံးပြီယောဂချင်းချင်းပေါ်သာဂောဒုက္ခဘဝတောနဲ့ဆိုဘုရားမှာသုဒ္ဓသကမ္မရဗုဒ္ဓသသုဒ္ဓမြေသောရွှေပရိသတ်သားဤဗတ္တံဆွမ်းကိုဗုဒ္ဓဝိတ္တစားသုံးပြီးသည်ရှိသောခရောကျန်တန်စွာသောအာဘာဒောနာယောဂသည်ဥပ္ပိစီဖြစ်ပြီဒီနေရာမှာသုဒ္ဓသကမ္မာရဗုဒ္ဓသဗတ္တံဗုဒ္ဓဝိတ္တမှာတာဝီပစ္စည်းเนาะအတိတ်ကိုဟောတာဗုဒ္ဓနဲ့တာဝီနဲ့အတိတ်ကိုဟောတာစားပြီးသောအခါလို့ဘာသာပြန်စားခြင်းကြောင့်လို့ဘာသာပြန်ရင်မှားဗုဒ္ဓဝိတ္တစားပြီးသောအခါဒီစားပြီးယောဂဖြစ်တာဒီစားခြင်းကြောင့်အစာမှားပြီးဖြစ်တာမဟုတ်ဒါရှင်းဖို့လို့အဲ့ဒါတက္ကရာမှာရှင်းထားတာအများကြီးသုဒ္ဓရဲ့ဝေဒစားလို့ဘုရားသွေးဝမ်းသွားတယ်ဆိုရင်သုဒ္ဓစိတ်ကောင်းပါမလားသွန်းတကာကြီးအပြည့်ရောက်နေဘူးလားမင်းဘုရားနဲ့မတည့်တာတွေချက်ကျွေးတယ်တရက်လုံးကသူ့ဝမ်းဆဲမှာပေါ့ Facebook တွေဘာတွေတက်သွားမှာပေါ့ဟုတ်တယ်မလားဒါလောက်အိုမင်းရင်းရော်နေတဲ့ဘုရားကြီး80လေယောဂတွေကလည်းဆွဲနေအဲ့ဒါကြီးတော့ကစုံလာကြီးဘာကျွေးတယ်ဝက်သားကျွေးတယ်မေတ္တော်မဲ့တယ်ကောဆုံးလေးတနာကားရပါတယ် Facebook ကဝမ်းဆဲတာလေစိတ်နှလုံးသက်သာမှာမဟုတ်ဘူးအဲ့ဒါကိုမြင်တော်မူလို့ဗုဒ္ဓကာရဏလို့ဘာသာမပြန်ပါနဲ့ဒီဆွမ်းကိုစားခြင်းကြောင့်မဟုတ်ဘူးဘာကြောင့်ဖလသမမဲ့ဆွမ်းရည်ကရက်လိုက်ပြီးဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်ယောဂပြန်ပေါ်လာဒါစားပြီးသောအခါမှာဖလသမပယထာနဲ့စားပြီးတာနဲ့တိုက်ဆိုင်ဟုတ်လားafter eating of the sukra madhava because of eating of not sukra madhava Buddha kharo avaro obisi no so na sai ma chamanta ma phit aungအဲ့ဒါကြည့်ရှုဘာသာပြန်မှားရင်သုဒ္ဓကိုဝိုင်းပြစ်တယ်လေလာဟိတာဘက္ခဏိကသွေးရသွန်တယ်ပပလာပြင်းထန်တယ်မရဏတိကသေကိုသေလောက်ဝေဒနာတွေကပေါ်တန်းနေဖြစ်ကြကုန်၏အဲ့ဒါလေးကိုသတိသမစင်နဲ့ထိပြီးတော့ That's why we are joy. Tadradu Dandadura Bhagavata Dhamzano Divandi Avihinya Mano. Dividana de Gobias of Yadripina, the Tay Tara, Mabemamu Avihinya. Tago Bhagavaya Tamanda Ananda Amandidi. Mother Great Dializa Shikuni, Kasola Shali. Nane Kili Pavagane Kudena Puyat Kobi Aga Gadana Boshi Dabia Homo Dengana de Materi Yiteta Bedingana Mayile Daramabianam Tiara Tadia Dengana Mayite Tin. Nadia Dingara Mayite Target Sondata Sondaya Badan Swango Sondata Kamara Buddha Zona Zora Shivrinda Badan Swango Bose to Asayi Ide either Mingadi Ludan Jamure Abadan Tambudi Diro Diro Yaswapia the Abadan Nayoga Tambudi Kanzayare Babala Pietano Maranadika Dilo Abadana Yoga Tampudi Kanzaya Relo Minga de Dudan Jalaya Da Tau, no? Sianada Horale Moho, Medudan Chineri Jabure Suyita Ero Balido Rema Erido Ningayana Dina Ye Tera Shid. Now, let the Romian Mabogan, Shina le Drilling. Buddha Dasa, Dugara, Madawina Dugara, Madawasuda Sang was Sadom Yasopia, Ibiadi Babalo, Uda Badi. Piedan the Yoga Pity. Wirisa Mano, one Tone Bhagavan Osa Bebio Kisami Hangudina Ran Nagaran. Hey Ananda, let's go to the Kushi Nagara. Tago Era Pali Jaraman accept Yogda Dila. Bhagawa Mega Augama from Pawa to Kushinagara. Tongawo Tashiko Talabawe Tagawo Domai Tongawo Sula Kumai Lawe Pawan to Kushinagara. The journey only 9 miles distant. Bhagavan travel. One day before full moon of the Kasol, departed Abdami in the morning from Pawan to Kushinagara. Between two cities on the way, Buddha stop and stay, take that 25 times. You know, you Jago, my Kima, Maya Benajina, 25 times. No? The era de Minu Shafa Atata, the Balido Mabaro. Tago Toga Bhagavan Vyashini Mega Augama Kima Pebiro Yena Nyadra Dukha Mula Diduba Degami Dibi Yengo Chingade Uba Degami no Chika Bivya Damanda Ananda Amandedi Shi Ananda Gupiore Ega Medon Ananda Sroguna Dangade Binyabehi Ananda Ye Neta Dengangu Liga Kali Kimbi Baba Neta Dengan Chotara Liga Suro Shitaya. What about ဒီပဲပါအသွေးမရှိအသားမရှိအယိုးနဲ့အရည်ပဲချက်ဝမ်းသွားလို့ပိန်ချုံးတယ်ထူထူလေးခင်းပေးမှဖြစ်မှာပေါ့ကိုဒီမှာငါခင်းပေးတာအောက်ကကြောက်ခဲတယ်ကလထိုင်ပေါ်မှာဟမ်ကြောက်စိမ့်နေမလေးခင်းပေးတာဘယ်ဟုတ်မလဲဖင်ကျင်းတာပေါ့ရသော်ဖျားလို့တော့မလုပ်နဲ့အိုပြီးနိတိတိဘဂဝါပညာတိအာတတိဘုရားခင်းတဲ့နေရာထိုင်လိုက်ခင်းပေးတဲ့နေရာထိုင်လိုက်နိတိဇာခောဘဂဝါသမန္တအာမန္တေတိထိုင်ပြီးတော့ရှင်အနန္ဒကိုပြောတယ်အိမ်ကမေတ္တအာနန္ဒရေငါတိုက်တော့ပါတယ်ကွာတောင်းပန်ပါတယ်ဗာနိယံအာဟရတော့တော်ရည်ယူခဲ့ပါ Oh brother Ananda I request to you please give me a drink and water Pipati Dodami Ananda I am so thirsty Pivedami I want to drink Pipati Dodami I am so thirsty. Taman lu tayao lu pyo ne. Balaw paimane soda man ji. Ewo de di lo pyo ro. Adama Ananda Bhagavantan wasa. Eri lu yi taw ni ro. Bhe na ma na ne de le. No? ချောင်းလေးတစ်ခုလို့ပြောမလားမြစ်တစ်ခုလို့ပြောမလားအိန္ဒိယကတော့နဒီကြီးပဲရေကနွားချီကုန်မြို့ယုံလောက်ရှိတယ်ဒါဒေါသတွေပြောတာလူစင်းလျှောက်လဲချီကုန်မြို့လောက်ရှိတယ်နွားခွာမြို့ပေါ့ကွာလူဆိုတော့ချီခုံမြို့ပေါ့2-3 inches. The water measurement of the only 2-3 inches in this river, sandy river. No? Any another baby, my mess of your time, nah. Any my people did not be Ananda. Hey Ananda, I am so thirsty. Give me a drinking water. In those days, there have not been bottled water. Blend ye so that she have a move. Ye bune some dollar mo. Either any beer, Babit. Yes, I be a ye down it. Make later my yega. 2-3 inches ဒါလောက်ပဲရှိဘယ်လောက်စင်တီမီတာတော့ရောက်နေပြီလို့ဒီလိုမပြောနဲ့အဲ့ဒါဘယ်လိုမှနားမလဲချီကုန်မျိုးလို့ရှိတယ် very easy to understand ဟုတ်တယ်မလားဣဒာနိဗန္တိဘုန်းတော်ကြည်တော်မူသောမြတ်စွာဘုရားဣဒာနိယခုအခါမှာပေသမတ္တနိသကတတရာနိလက်အစင်းပေါင်း900တို့သည်အတိတ်ကန္တာနိမြေကိုဖြတ်သန်းနေကြတယ်ဘုရားမြေတဲ့ဖြတ်နေတာလဲပေါင်းဘရငါစက္ကိစိဏံလဲဘိန်းနေဖြတ်မောင်းနေတော့ပရိဒံနဲနေပြီဖြစ်တဲ့တန်ဥဒကံထိုရည်သည်လူလိတံဘောင်ပင်ခတ်နေတယ်အာဝိလံနောက်နေတယ်လဲငါရဖြတ်မောင်းတဲ့ရေကဘာဖြစ်လှုပ်လက်ခတ်နောက်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်မြတ်စွာဘုရားရေဘာဆက်ဖတ်မလဲဖတ်စမ်း Ayabade kakudanati awi duri yata. Awi duri jibiro wabiyoma. Hu shina thimo wibu kakudami shire pya. Dilu shao. Shina ma thimo wibu kakudami shire pya. Isodaka badodaka tidodaka tupadita ramaniya. Có lên này đó. Ít số là cả gì đi cả là chi luôn. Ta nói là cả gì ngang gì cả mà hậu phu gì đi cả chủ miệng đi đấy. Vì nói là cả gì đi cả ý đấy. Vì đó là cả gì qua gì bia mà hậu phu. Gì cả phiêu đấy. Lúc bắt đây thà sẽ để xích căn này con này. Ramaniya yigade pe ni hubekan dibekan pau ni lo o sait cham mye sia ji be Shanana shop kaung ni ta saki saina praidan lulidan awilan tandadi ayambandi kagudanadi awiduri isodaka tadodaka tidodaka tidodaka tuparita ramaniya. Di ni aga ye ga ro ba phit le nwa te 500 လောက်ဖြတ်မောင်းတော့ရေတွေနှောက်နေနွားဆိုတဲ့ကောင်ကလည်းရေတွေးတာကိုကစုံလာကြီးဟုတ်တယ်မလားရေလေးကနော်ဓမိုက်တောင်မရှိဘူးချီကုန်မြုပ်လေဘုံတော့ဘိုးတွေထမ်းလှဲကြီးတွေဒီတဲ့ပြနွားကရေထဲတွေ့တော့ရက်ပြီးကုန်းတော့တာဘောကွာရှေ့ကတော့ import လုပ်တယ်နောက်ကလည်း export ကလည်းလုပ်သေးတာဒီဘေကောင်းတော့နွားသေးတယ်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ရှင်းရတာကမြတ်စွာဘုရားသိခါဒီနာမှာရေမသောက်ပါနဲ့လာဆက်လျှောက်ရအောင်ဘယ်တိလျှောက်ရေကတဲ့ပင်တွေပေါက်နေတဲ့မြေရောက်အောင်လျှောက်အဲ့ဒီမြေကရေကလေးအစောရကတာတောဒကတိတောဒကတိတောဒကသူပဋိဋ္ဌာတလောက်ကောင်းတဲ့ရေဖေရရေကြီးရေအေးရေပြူဒုတိယပိခောဘဂဝါတတိယပိခောဘဂဝါဘာလို့ဖတ်နေရဖယားနှစ်ကြိမ်တောင်းတယ်ရှန္ဒနှစ်ကြိမ်မြောက်ခြင်းတယ်ဖယားသုံးကြိမ်တောင်းတော့ရှန္ဒနဲ့ညင်းသေးတယ်ဧကမေတံအာနန္ဒဘာနိယံအာဟရပိဘာတိတောသမိအာနန္ဒပိဝေသမိတိဧဝဘာနိတိဝသမအာနန္ဒောဘဂဝတောပရိသုတ္တဝပတ္တံဂေတဝါသပိယူပြီးတော့ယေနတာနတိကနတိမဟုတ်နတိကတိတိကတတ်တော့ခုတ်ကတော့မြင်ငယ်ငယ်လေးထာဂသနတိကသကေစိဏပရိဒလူလီတာဝိလတန္တမာနာအာသမနေအနနေဥပသေကမနေအစ္ဆာဝိပဒနာအနာဝိလအစ္ဆာကြည်တဲ့ဝိပဒနာနောက်ချုပ်ခြင်းမရှိဘူးအနာဝိလအပြစ်ကင်းပြီးတော့တန်ဒိဋ္ဌာစိရှင်းတာလည်းမြေကလေးချင်းကလည်းရေကကြည်လင်းအေးချမ်းပြီးတော့စီးတာထာခောအယသမတောအာနန္ဒသဧဒရဟောတိဣစေယဝတဘောဘုဒ္ဓဝတဘောတတကတသဗေဒိကဓမ္မနုဘဝတဩဇာကြီးပဲဘုရားရှင်တို့ရဲ့တကုအယဟိသနတိကသက္ကိစေနပရိဒလူလိတာအဝိဒသန္တမာနမယေဥပသေကမန္တေအစ္ဆာဝိပဒနာအနာဝိလသန္တတိငါချက်ကတဲ့အချိန်ကမြေထဲကရေတွေအကုန်ကြည်ပြီးတော့စီးတယ်ကွာဘုရားရဲ့တကုအောပဲကောက်လိုက်တာပတ္တိနပါဏိယအာရယယေနဘဂဝတေနုပသေကမိသပိတ်နဲ့ရေခတ်ပြီးတော့ဘုရားလာသပိတ်နဲ့ရေခတ်ဆိုတော့ဝိကြီးနဲ့ကုန်းခတ်တာပဲဟုတ်မလားရေစင်းနဲ့စိတ်ပြီးတော့သပိတ်ထဲထဲတာဣဒာနိပသာဗန္တိနတိကသကေစေနပရိနာလူလိတာအဝိရသနာဘာနာမိဥပသေကမန္တိအပြည့်စုံအလုံးစုံလျှောက်ပြီးတော့ဒါကောဘကောပါဏိယအပါယိယထာ Yes, Abia. Now, Bioja. Paya to go ne, Yichi la de Lule, Piolo, come on. Taming a Bioja. Noari lady Pia Mount be the Yiria, the outback will see them. Outback will see them. She and I got no lady piano, 10 now. My lady yellow. May I say be the toilet, ye, is a green and say be the waiter. Hello, cut. Tara diga le paji. And I'm just up here. If thou you never go, Gata Nisa Didi Kroti, no? Can I go all Asian on beauties or ye chura of home? Not ten up your ye but ye the no lean a ye so be the Pia Guru was and I will be poppy. And a treaty. Lady, Leland Young at a pony. Hola, Pia Guma, Babel, that's shame. I'm a story for my story tat. Though done for my though done tat. And a bit of Balala. Bokuda, Mala, Wutu, Larama. Bokuda, Mala Medaji. Any slang ayaha, Mala Medaji, slang. Mala Dainha, Kudena Umemola. Kudena Muroha, Mala Dain Murove. Huh? Any Medaji, lady. All over 500 bull carts are crossing. At that time, Buddha digressed on the bank of this small river. 500 bull carts full of load. Cross and slowly in this small river. These 500 bull carts are belong to the princess of the Pokusa. Pokuda Medaji Baril. Say. Pokusa Mala Pokta. Mala Medaji Pokusa. Mala Dainga, no? Bayan Senega. Democracy Senate. Wizzy net do that. Bayan o Nane de Nana de Jayla, Lina Jayla, Erali, in the Pipa. You by a low bill, Lina le bill. Now, Lina at that time, Pia, you in Macayao. By a pupil. Any baby, lady in a go young son. Any lady Yaulara. Pia bring by some men, the young. Hola. Narela, Shali. Hey, lady. Tave me any Minagia. Pure Buddhism. He worshipped the very powerful, famous Ishi. Alara Kalama. You know the Alara Kalama. Buddha is a former teacher. Alara Kalama, Udakarama Buddha, two Ishi, Yadiji Naba. They were Buddha's former teacher in Uruvela forest. Before the Buddha who? Buddha learning the jhana technique under the guidance of these two great Ishi. Hola. Yazabia Yediji Namatama, Sandy thing at Buddha. And a Paya, Seato Buddha. Anything Alara Yadi. Di Boguda Malaminia, Kuwera. Bogusa Malamuda, wash it for 40 years long. He worshipped this Parale Alara Galama. But it don't go with her. Laser and honey go with her. You think that an Angisa be looked at men. Bodan that an Angisa me blow. He doesn't take the Bodan Saranang Gachami, but he took. Just say Saranang Gachami. Many Indian issues. Because they said Bogusa, Mala princess, last 45 years ago, traveled like with the 500 Bulka through the Uruguay forest. Non le vedo le zagani da Uruguay dore. Di Medaji ha di Lengaya ne Druvatwa. Edo Meda Nenge Vipi Mabo. Kura le zagani down no Davi Dule de Ganini. The Ganima Piana Yavara, the Bobogara. Dadama Piana Bema Ladwida. Lama Ladwida. For many years ago, there's a princess, might be very young. He traveled with a 500 Vulcan full of loaded, traveled through the Uruvela forest, on the way under the tree. He have met with those that Ishi, Alara Galama, Tui Buri, under the tree, by the roadside. The Alara Galama, absorbing the Arubajana, Bazan Wenzana. Aybasango Wenzani, Alara Yadeji. Lady Apia, Yadeji, Aybasan Wenza. Many das. All of da fallen on the dress of the Ishi. Yadeji, Bengamo. Phony child. Bogusa brains saw this Ishi Alara Kalama, wonderful Ishi, absorbing in the Samapati. He approves and asks, how do you know such a kind of heat in the midday? I don't know. How do you know? 500 Bulkars are crossing the river. No, I don't know. Do you hear any noisy disturbing you are? Samadhi. No, I don't know. Are you sleeping? Yes, all of us today are sleeping in the Madama hall. No, sir. You have mental activity. Yes, I have a mind. But my mind knows other. I never know the outside disturbances. Oh, wonderful Ishi. living in peaceful and silent. Ishi Sharanan Gacchami Bhikkhu Samana Buddha. Take refuge in the Ishi Alara Kalama. Last 45 years ago in the Uruvara forest. But this Alara Kalama already passed away. Buddhas, after the enlightenment, after the attainment of enlightenment, how many days? 7 weeks. Buddha spent around the Bodhi tree 1 week each in 7 places. After this 7 weeks, this easy passed away and reborn in Arupa Brahma Loka. From this day, Bhikkhu brings, take refuge in the easy. He never went to the Buddha, never take refuge in the Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha. But now he met Buddha on the way by roadside, near the small stream. Sanyang le bina lambi ma baya ko twi ni bi bdu le Bhikkhu Mindai. Our Lord Buddha, after taking the water, drinking the water, taking the rest, absorbing in the plasma body, taking rest under the shade of a tree. Other Bhikkhu Sangha also drinking the water, taking the rest, crossing the river. This Bhikkhu Prince with the 500 Buddhas arrived there. And he saw the Buddha. Buddha ko tu twi pyan bi. And mounted down, level ascent, approach of the Buddha, paying a rest by the Buddha. He asked the Buddha, "Oh Lord Buddha, you are taking the rest?" "Yes." "Do you hear noising of the bull or cars?" "No." "Do you see any bull, any car?" "No." "Do you feel any hot weather?" "No." "Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Ichiriyan watabo, abutan watabo. Wonderful. All of them. Barile. Noble, Ariya, Ishi, or Samana, or Brahmana are living in peacefully. Samana, Brahmana, Nyingchen, so Nijare. All of Ishi, Samana, Brahmana are living peacefully. Yeve Yahani, Nyingchen, so Nijare. He announced astonishingly, wonderfully announced, all right, Dangarangaya. Levensa, Bislanchi, Dure, Unama, Pianama, on it. Bayin Beauty. Arima. Yes, I've Chijo Piro. Ubala. hey, my disciple, unload from the last car and take it to Gabla. Unload a total challenge. Take to Gabla. Gabla who you get. He donated one the Buddha and donated another one to Ananda. There, Buddha preached very long. At that time, he said, Ejadage Banupidam Bhagavantan Saranang Gacchami. So that? Ejadage Banupidam Bhagavantan Saranang Gacchami. From now, from today, through my whole life, I take refuge in the Buddha. Wonderful undertaking, the three refuges. Digane Masari, Bayaku Bayi, Benigasa. Benigasa. Piabrini Masamani Madusara. He started to take refuge on the Buddha's Pranivana day, before the one day only. Horrible. Piabrini Masamu, Teni Alu Mama Dubapida. Before the one day, Buddha's Pranivana, he take refuge in the Buddha. Nanela. Piaku Bayi Sura, Piabrini Masangi, Teni Veluga. Allow his information allow for he took his refuge. For me is allow for he took refuge. He take refuge in Ishi. For me yellow ne lizing and low bagu. Yedi Google. Payaku is the bear now so dear Bejan or a brainy Masambo. Be a baby, but also Laduina, Lambi. Every mamma tell in the tail, Lulet, the Dega Bayacho, the Dega Ananda, and Lumba. Eh, Mero de Elupene Ome. Sabi then so your beanie. Easy account at the Kua. I say that the video Chino Lane Chino Yellow, Paya would Chopile Sama. Chopia, Chode, the Galato day. Casona ye egoli. In the May, very hot summer. Buddha took his donation, one donation, choke the English, no, Gabala. Buddha choke me. Era Buddha, Yogi Rodi, look like I choke the pop in a Yogi Rodi 12. I like it very much. Wonderful indeed. Ocean. Level mountain. Buddha also continued to journey. His journey to Kushinagara. Where Dukhayitu said. Between two cities, Pawa and Kushinagara, Buddha take rest 25 times. One day before the full moon of the Kasau, one day before the full moon of the May Mela Labini Madang Taye in the evening late Yanizam no Chaya Buddha entered into Kushinara, arrived at Kushinara. Buddha traveled to the southwest corner of the Kushinara. Kushinara is southwest corner. And now down. In the grove of Sala Uyenema, between the two pair of the Sala tree, Ananda prepared the Buddha's bed. That's why Ayali, that's why Ayah. Pali are the Nyonzon, Pali Belule. Mensaka. No? Mensaka Nyonzongo. Yamaga Dalana, a song no inimido, Andre Jana, Pinapito. Kiwi. Ananda prepared the Mensaka, Buddha's bed. Between the two pair of a Sala tree, all of a Sala tree, the whole forest, beautifully blossomed from bottom up to the edge of the tree. The picture and the picture, whole Sala tree were blossomed. Buddha stay and take rest on the Ananda Prabhaya bed. Buddha's head to the north. Buddha's face to the west. Uttara, Titakan, Mesakan. Voilà. Gala Bebele to the north. Face to the west. And the countless number of the bhikkhus are gathered together. They want to pay the last respect to the Buddha. 700,000 months were gathered. Dangarari Blasuwil. At the moment. In the southern corner of Kushinagara. No? Okay. Kogu Pado. B. Yena Yijiro said Hale, English look for it. Sukra Madhawa English ya Wabyo in English page 257 and 258 go up. Second paragraph. The Chonda, Goswami's son, after that night had passed to Nyanondoka, caused a choice food of the book, hard and soft bread. Hard, soft. Hard ka Karaniya, soft ka Bosnia. as well as the quantity of the tender pork, noon the weather. And my food no go fire me, or my shed had a Columbia baby. Do they prepare at his house? Do a ma tender pork, noon and workily. Then Nivashi the workily. See my boy with a lulu yada, Chanega way yay be chetamohu. Then inform the Bhagavan. That is the once of the time of the meal by the message. When it is a time to proceed. The food offering is ready. Then in morning, Bhagavan got ready by rearranging the room, and taking the ample, the way you there, and great up, nothing I need you there, went to the house of the Shonda, goes with his son, Shivri de Basoda, Asia go, Chador. Gordon Spencer Sanhoga. Accompanied by the company of the baker. Yandangara Asiyuni do the Guadwa. On arriving there, Jaude Kama, to the sea and prepare for him. Yes, entire the Yamatai. Having thus seated himself, the Bhagavan said to Choda, Goswami son Choda, you serve me, Mengagu Lujui, now be Sukara Madawa. Sukara Madawa, now weka, prepare by you, maybe a Satan Sukara Madawa, now be. Some other food. Prepare by you to the company of the big. Tasha Sasari go, Tangaru Apilai. Shonda, Bushman's son, ascend respectfully, accordingly, son. Prepare Shukra Madhava to the Bhagavan. Oh, yes, I'll be a pure diamond. Dugara Madhavani go Payachui. Ava prepare food to company of the big. The champion had a Sone Guru, Hini Guru, Bangaro Chui. Then Bhagavan said to this Choda, Goswami son, Choda, vary the remaining Sukra Madhava in a pit, Shaune Magabi, the journey that was a Hinigo. Beauty. Apart the brown the Dadagrahim said, Maviaga Loin, I see no one either in Silesewa of the Deva, Amara, Brahma, Nuloga, Nanoga, Bimaloga, Mangamar, Varchabu, Gamamimu, and the human world. Saman, Reglu, Samana, Reglu, Brahmana, Daryatako, who eaten this? Dagusare can digest it well. Asache and Sura Namamimu can digest. Chonda Goswami son. I said that the respectable say in the very well, son, vary the remaining Sukara Madhava in a pit. Chaunema 2 bit of new bride. Then he approached the Bhagavan. Make obeisance to him, seated himself at a certain place. Taniyama, you the baby of time. The Bhagavan, by a religious discourse to the Sonda, seated on one side. The Chadini Matani, the Sonda, oh, there's a bear, there did not hope your champion. Cause him, realize. Tu go nale on Tupia, Now let's see it and benefit the teaching to become established in the observance of the teaching. To the free with a gladness. One young chin in a pea, enthusiastic, say I tell the in a pea for practice of the teacher. They are German, so they say the Tata or look Bido Ma, then Bhagavan rose ta from the sea, Tayagata, departed. Later, after the Bhagavan had eaten the food offered by Jonda, Gosman's son, Swiverin the Sonda Segara Swangu. After Tila, they are Gose, Sabah paragraph, they are after no, because of Hoguno, after eating the food. Any weather on Sabi the Waka, offered by Joda. Joda Bay like the weather and flew like the weather and Sabi the Ka is severe illness. Bintando Anayoga come upon Yaulare a severe attack. Dysentery. Pienso a one thousand sobre anayoga attack. Niseta Kare with discharge of blood. Tuiri 1,000 at the Goa. Pientando yoga take catching can discharge of Tuiyu. Discharge of blood. Tuiyu. He suffered to Pimbani. Excessive pain, Pientan the Anayoga was Sabbath near unto death, the law of Pita. This the Bhagavan Inda. There's a very young the Kanta with a mindfulness and deliberation. The Tamas the yoga with the Kanta. Whether being pata, say now said no one Shivu, then Tuna Bhagavan said to the Benebe Ananda would pure come Ananda, Lahi Ananda, let's go to Kushinara Utajaya. The Benebe Ananda ascended respectfully saying very well, Banrevesa Aga Gadali Nabo. I have heart. Cheno Chaburi. Nadulu Malulu Lutara. Then I think already eaten. After partaking of the food offered by Chonda, Gosman's son, Shivrene the Sonda, Ludan and Swan was Abide Kama. The enlightened one suffer, Payaduka Piedor, Seva, in Pientan the Yoga Urinari, pain, and not changing near unto death. The love of Nachin and I yoga in a Bayapimane, lo, I have heart. Marilu Chavure. After having eaten tender pork with that one was sapido aka because of eating no long no the other sergeant Jalo Badalubia the other sergeant Jalo Sugay Soda Bobby Semitamada Pimeno. After having eaten the tender pork, they arose in the teacher excessive pain. Nyasabya Malo Pinta the Yoga Pit, illness pit, suffering the attack of the dysentery. We want to yoga pit. Bhagavad said, that's why I shall go to the town of Kushinara. Anandaye Gudenaye Gwame. Having drinking the water brought the Bhagavad, yes, of the left road and went to the foot of a tree. Jarama Chodare, no? Neneli Chodare. Then Zaga, a second in the Piata. So now you bring the Ega Twek. Babaga Twebiro. Buddha. Travel leading to Kushina. Then took her. Bhagawan left the road. Yes, Lambi would say like. And went to the foot of a tree. They began the cook was sent there. And having said to the Vaneve Ananda, Ananda go pure. Full my double Leah road. Full legal. Full color. My double Leah, my nothing. Full color. Full leader color. Place it on the ground. I am exhausted. Jesus. Now I'm going to be. I'm so tired. Not pay money. Balia kila do hamadu. I shall sit down. Take rest. Not time you don't know me. When we Ananda, you're at the Luda Boba. Bhagavan sat down on the full road, said Ananda, now so in the job. Ananda, go and bring drinking water. Now you're at the go Jordan. I am thirsty. Ananda, go. Drinking water. You get. I am thirsty. I want to have a drink of the water. I want to have a drink of the water. On this being said by the Bhagavan, Vanave Ananda said to the Bhagavan, Vanave said, 500 cars, have just now crossed the stream, you know. Nadika sore Bali Bogole, Nadika sore Bali Bogole, stream di Mada Pianara. Nadika sore ka anega barana, small. And Nadika is a stream. It let it pian it and design young legal, let it pian. The shallow water. No? Mala. Shallow water. Mala. They need it. Ye. The shallow water. They need it. Ye. Being started up. Can't show need it. Ye. By the God, sorry. God, cleverly pianide ye. Flow, David. Flow, Sini, David and Madi, now Jibiro. Shonyon in a Sini ye. Vanivesa. The Kaguda river is not far off. Kaguda means we are there. And the Kaguda means water is clear. Babir. Chile Nashene, sweet. Chure, cool. Free from muddiness, Shonyone Kene. It's so the Kata, don't the Kati, don't the Katu, but they Dharamaniyapo. There are good band, Malay, beautiful band, lovely band. It is a pleasant place. Nithapagon India. At the Kakuda River, Bhagawa may drink water. Erijama Yitha. And also be refreshed himself. Erijama Nayu. Bhagawa said, second time, Ananda go. Bring drinking water. I am thirsty. I want to have a drinking water. For a second time, Tadavi. Bhagavan said, that time, Ananda, I exhort you to go. Bring drinking water. I have been thirsty. I want to have a drinking water. Tadavi. Ananda saying very well. Benevesa ascended respectfully in taking the ambo, the way you Yeze Baba Udima. Went to the stream, Sanjalisia Twat, shallow water, ye, which was a flowing tabit, now chibi the scene ye, and muddy shunyon ye. Having been tired up by the cat wheel living in Piamontare ye, became clear, Janana Corridor, Chi Dware, pure, Banshin Dware, absolutely free from Marine and Nemoni Kendware. And this thought occurred to Benibe Ananda. Era Gumineka, Masiananaga. Wonderful indeed. The Kego and Osajibe, marvelous Turu Sandame, Sa is a great power of the supernormal psychic potency of the Tathagata. Danya Savaru is Jicheri Gu Anubove. This is shallow stream detained ye, Sanjamoli. Which was a flowing tabit, the flow seen it a ye, muddy and narrated seen it a year. Having been tired at the drying the wheel of the cross and car, pianed living in it, now need a year, is on my appearance of the flowing clear. Namiare at being out of flowing is a clear. Namyamoma, Chirindwabi, pure, Nashindabi, absolutely free from Madane. Neboni Kendabi carrying the drinking water in the ambo. The Beneve Ananda went back to the Bhagawa and said, Saripya. Indeed, wonderful Benevesa. Yes, indeed, Mavela, the Gago Duru Sandampit, Benevesa, great power. Yes, the Jijay, the Gube, supernormal, psychic potency of the Tadagara. Oh, being good by the Yes of the Guru, that the shallow water of the stream, which was a flowing tabit and muddy, having been tabit up just now by the wheel of the cross and car, became on my approach. The view of Chengaladegama became clear, became pure, became absolutely free from Madine. The view of Chengaladegama, clear, pure, and then only time, absolutely free from Madine. Now, let the Bhagavat drink the water. Yasabhyai Edi Taudamuva. Let the Sugata drink the water. Yasabhyai Di Taudamuva. Then Bhagavat drank the water. Naya Dirigu Yedu လိုလေပြီးတော့44နှစ်ကစတော့ဒီတရားဟောတာစကိုင်းမှာမြတ်စွာဘုရားရည်ကြီးတော့အာနန္ဒာကရည်ကြီးတော့ဆက်တဲ့အခန်းလေးအာနန္ဒာထုံနှလုံးမှုစကိုင်းသားတွေစကိုင်းတော်ကြီးတစ်ခုလုံးကိုဘုရားလိုသဘောထားအေယဝတီမြစ်တဲ့ကရေတွေကိုကြည်အောင်လုပ်ပြီးတော့ဆဲကြသမ်းမှာဟာစကိုင်းသားဟောရတာကွာဘယ်လိုပဲအပေါက်ဟောတော်လဲဆံဖြူဖြူတစ်ခွက်မြတ်ထွက်ပုံမပေါ်ဘုဘုံရပြောတဲ့အတိုင်း Thank you everyone. See you tomorrow. ကိုတော့12 billion ဘာပူစရာမရှိဘူးတပြည်လုံးတစ်ကမ္ဘာလုံးဝိုင်းလှူတာ